All right, my friends, this is a similar video to the one I did the other day. The title for that one was "When Can I Withdraw?" And the title for today's video is "What is the minimum withdrawal?" The simple answer is 100 PPT. That is the minimum for you to withdraw in PopMax. If you have 100 PPT, you will be able to withdraw. If you log into your account and click on assets, when you click on assets, you click on withdraw. Okay, so for example, follow this screen, click on asset, click on withdraw, and then you will see that the minimum to withdraw is 100 PPT. Now, what is the equivalent in dollars of 100 PPT? It's easy. What I would say to you is go to CoinGecko and check for this. If you don't want to go to CoinGecko, you can go to either of those 5 different exchanges that they have listed it on and see the current price. But the easiest way for you to check is to go to CoinGecko, okay, and then on the top right corner there, type PPT, okay, and then type enter and select pop token. That is the one you are looking for, and then you scroll down to the bottom here where it says PPT converter. Enter 100 PPT. Since you have established that the minimum to withdraw is 100 PPT, this will now give you the equivalent in dollars. Okay, so 100 PPT is equivalent to $39 as of today that I'm recording this video. The price may go up or come down whenever you are wanting to withdraw. So this is the reason why I'm saying that it is recommended for you to come to CoinGecko and check the current market price. There are different ways to check the current market price for PPT. It is also displayed in your dashboard as well, right? So if you go to your dashboard, you should see the current market price, top left. That is the current market price. So with this, you will be able to ascertain how much you are going to get out of it in dollars when you withdraw your PPT. Okay, so it's easy for you to know the minimum to withdraw. As I said, let me give you guys a recap of what I have said. If you want to check the minimum to withdraw, click on asset and then click on withdraw button. When you click on withdraw button, it will come up with this page. At the bottom of this page, you will see where it says 100 PPT minimum to withdraw. Okay, and then you can now go to CoinGecko and check the current market price if you wish to do. Otherwise, just check your total earnings. If your total earnings is up to $39 or $40 or $45, it depends on the current market price, then you will be able to withdraw. Okay, now remember, when you are withdrawing, there is a 10% fee from the amount you are withdrawing. Okay, so bear that in mind so that you won't be surprised that, oh, listen, I am withdrawing 100 PPT. Why am I getting less than 100 PPT? Because they have applied the 10% withdrawal fee in your withdrawal. Okay, so this 10% withdrawal fee is per withdrawal. Every single time you make a withdrawal, you will get charged 10%, which to me is nothing, because for an account that is earning 300 per day, guys, what is 10% for, for fees if you want to be withdrawing every day? Okay, some people like to withdraw every 3 days, some people like to withdraw every 7 days, some people like to withdraw every 5 days, depending on what you want. Okay, as long as you are making a daily profit of 100 PPT, you will be able to withdraw that 100 PPT every single day, right? There is no restrictions to how much you will be able to withdraw. Okay, it's a blockchain platform. There is no restriction. You can withdraw even thousands and millions if you want, or if you have that kind of earnings in your back office, right? And the withdrawal process time is less than 2 minutes. Once it gets through the blockchain and confirms in the blockchain, it will get credited into your decentralized wallet like that. It doesn't take time at all. There is no third party correspondence here that they need to check with anybody before they will release your withdrawal. Immediately you slide that button from left to right, that will just credit your accounts once the blockchain confirmation is done. Within 2 minutes, sometimes less than 2 minutes, you will get your money in your account. So guys, that is it. Simple. Now you know the minimum to withdraw in PopMax, and you know how to withdraw, and you know how to check the equivalent in dollars of your PPT that you want to withdraw, right? So guys, for you that are watching this video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you are looking to sign up PopMax, if you're looking to register and join PopMax with me, the link to do so is below this video description. Remember, what we are doing here is we are earning daily 1%. This is the maximum that we can earn as at today that I'm recording this video. Now, for you to earn this 1% daily, you will need to have selected 360 days contract. And the good thing about this platform is you will get your money back. You will get your initial deposit back after you complete your contract days or your contract cycle, right? So that is it. Thank you very much. The link to join is below this video description. I have done a video showing you how to register step by step. I have also written a text step by step below this video description. If you follow that text step by step, you should be able to register correctly. Otherwise, please contact me on my messenger, on my WhatsApp, or my Telegram. I will conduct one-to-one video with you and then get you registered easily, right? Thank you. God bless.